Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Taylor, and today I'm going to be talking about my case presentation that was on the South Beach diet. So today, my patient was
Thanks for coming out tonight to my show. That's when I met her.
Where'd you meet her? Oh, at the show.
She was beautiful head to toe.
Yeah.
It was everything. The stars were aligned, all the bullshit was out of the way. Yeah, she's so pretty and all I've been looking for. She could be the one I always wanted. Yeah, I've been waiting for oh so long. Baby, where have you been? It's nice to see you, nice to meet you. I finally get to see your face.
I'm Kyle.
You're amazing.
How you doing?
Yeah, oh so much grace. Yeah, she's so darn looking cute. She's the one we're looking for. Because she's so pretty, and all I'm really looking for, don't you know, she's so damn cute. Well, just look at her. I can't stop staring in a non-creepy way, of course, not creepy. She's so pretty and tall. She's so pretty and all I'm looking for. Oh, I can't wait. Oh no. Oh no, what should I say?
Anything.
I get down on my knee today.
That's creepy.
But I just met you.
Met her.
That would be cool. You might be a creepy ass bitch, I don't know.
I didn't mean
to say the B word though. She's so pretty, and all I'm looking for, she's the one. My whole life has come to this point, and gonna take it I can pass this opportunity. She's so pretty and all I've been waiting for. Yeah, try that one. Different version. Meh.
One, two, three, four. I haven't played one in a while, but I'm gonna play this one again. I'm tired.
Kyle Taylor! Kyle, I can't see it! I'm videotaping! Can't see! Kyle, stop it!
I'll tell you one last time.
Kyle Taylor! Kyle, I can't see it! I'm videotaping!
Think about daily and try to hold it back from me. I called you back on your phone, but don't pick up. I can't think of it. All I hear is the tone. Leave your fucking message and leave me alone. And how's my boy? I miss him so much. Does he ever speak to me? I don't know. Well, I think every day how things could be if you and I we didn't get so fucking angry. You